Okay, so I realized that I didn't finish the video because it kind of ended up cutting off. So here is how we crop off the extra spot on either the bottom or the top where we see the checkerboard background, which is our transparent background. We don't need to fill the entire space. We can always just crop this. To do that, underneath the magic wand tool is the crop tool. We click on that, and what we're doing is we're selecting the area we want to keep. All right, notice I have this down here, is not within that selection. When I'm done, I hit enter. And that's it. All right, I like to tend to get off of the crop tool, so that way I don't accidentally click and crop anything else. All right, I know this image looks different because I ended up going back and recreating another one. So we have our subject in the foreground, subject in the middle ground, subject in the background, and our background itself. Whoops, did not mean to move Elsa. There we go. All right, so now comes time to save our work. To save our work, we go up top to File, Save as PDF. What this is going to do, as you just saw, it's downloading it to my computer. So when it comes time for you guys to upload your work, you have to find where this project saved to. Depending on what computer you're on is going to depend on where it's saving to. If you're in the school, that's to your H drive. If you're at home or on your Chromebook, my guess is it's probably to either your download folder or it's on your desktop. So you'd have to look for that. When you go to hand your work in, you would click on, when you go to submit your work, excuse me, you would click on the little paper clip and you would end up having to upload your work because it's on your desktop and not on your Google Drive. All right, if you guys have any questions about how to do that, you can ask me in class. All right, I hope this was helpful, and this is a nice quick video to end the other one. All right. Like I said, you have any questions, just ask.